Imagine a situation when we need to send same email, I mean the same content to multiple recipients. If we need to send it to 2 or 3 people, normally what we do is we kind of make the changes. That is, change the email ID in the two and the name and so on and so forth manually and send it again and again. But when the number of recipient increases to maybe 10, 15, 20, 50, 500, anything, then definitely this process doesn't work. Then the second option is we keep ourselves, my email ID, for example, if I am sending my email ID in two and put all others in BCC. Now, the biggest problem there are two biggest problems are number one, the emails are not personalized. Second is since we are putting a lot of email IDs in the BCC, most of the mail server identify those emails as spam emails. So it is not delivered to the mailbox. The worst is sometimes the other mail server identifies the sending mail server as a suspected spam and block that mail server itself, which is a biggest problem, I would say. So what is the solution? Many of us, we use different software solution. I mean, you MailChimp or any other software solution to achieve this. Yes, they are good, but they're expensive. And yeah, I mean, we need to do a lot of things to send an email. Today, let me tell you a very simple solution, zero cost. All of us, we have that software in our computer. And effectively, if you are sending it to 50, 60 people, effectively, you can send it across to them. Let me show you how. So, before getting into the how part, let me tell you what are those tools. If you understand Hindi, Sundar, Shasta, Tikau. So, nice tool, zero cost. There is no cost associated with that, and it works effectively. Those tools are, you might be amazed, is Excel and MS Word. So, our Microsoft tools, our Microsoft friends. So, let me share my screen and tell you that what we need to do. So I'll start with Excel. Now, why Excel? Because Excel is the place where we put our data, which we call as data sheet. Okay. Uh, Now, here I have created a data sheet. Of course, these email IDs are fictitious, but to ensure that I can show you a demo that the emails are being delivered, I'll put some different email ID. Say amit.ganguly at leadershipamit.com. Then here might be ak_ganguly at yahoo.com. Maybe here one more amit.kanti.ganguly at gmail.com. Now, why I have put all these three? Because what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to show you that it works for a custom domain or an organizational domain, Yahoo and Gmail. So what we have done, of course, what all columns you are going to use, that depends on your need. So here, what I did, name, designation, because in my email I want to say as so and so in so and so organization kind of thing. So it is optional. You can put any column, any number of column, any heading per se. So what is important or essential is, of course, the name and the email ID, obviously, right? Rest is optional purely based on your need. So this is our Excel datasheet. So I have saved it. Now I will move to another tool called MS Word, as I was mentioning. So here is my Word screen. Simple screen we all are familiar with. You might be wondering earlier that what is this mailings for? So this is for the mail merge. So I click here, envelope labels. Of course, you can print label, you can print envelope using mail merge and all, but we want here for this particular session, we will talk about the mail merge. So start mail merge. What I am going to do, I am going to send email messages. So I have selected email messages here from start mail merge, email messages. All right. Then what is next? Select recipient. Use an existing list or type a new list. I am choosing use an existing list because I have created the file. Use an existing list. It takes a while. There you go. I saved this file in the downloads folder. Where is this? I'm just trying to find out. Sample datasheet. Here it is. It has only one worksheet. So if you have multiple worksheets, it will show all the worksheet. You can choose which worksheet has your datasheet or the name, email ID, and all this stuff. So it has only one sheet. So sheet one. Now let me start typing the email. Hi. I'm not doing any annotation right now. Hope you are doing great. I wish you to know that we have started a new service, product, whatever it might be. And as here I will put the designation. In here I will put the organization. I am requesting you to try our services once without any cost. I'm just putting it as very generic message. Thanks and regards, Amit. Okay, my Grammarly is saying that I have made some mistake. This I'll change it a little later. So hi. After hi, what I want? I want the person's email ID. Oh, sorry, name. Right? So here you can see one tab has been activated is insert merge fields. Click here. See, it shows all the columns which we had in our Excel file. What I want here is hi name. See what happens? It appears like this. Hi name. I wish you to know da 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 da, and as what I want designation in organization. Oops, sorry. It came twice. In organization, I am requesting you to try data, whatever. I'm not focusing on the spelling, grammar, and all this stuff right now. Now, you may wish to highlight or maybe put this in bold. Very simple. Regular word, go back to home, make it bold. Perhaps you want this designation highlighted in yellow, this to be okay, say under or maybe a different color text, right? Come back to the mailing section once we have done the beautification. So this is what This is how it looks. How do I know how the emails will look like? Click here. ABC preview result. Hi Sundaram, hope you are doing great. I wish as director in Accenture, etc. etc. Next record, senior cloud manager in Microsoft, senior manager in cloud informatics, right? So this is the preview. The mails have still not gone. Now I want to send the actual emails. So if you want, you can edit individual documents, not required. Print document, not required. Our intention is to send email. So send email messages. I will select this. Finish and merge. Send email messages. Message option 2. What will be the 2? In 2 part in email, from where it will pick up the email address? Obviously from the email, right? Subject line. We are starting a new service. Again, up to you, right? What type of message you want to type. Mail format, whether you want uh, HTML, plain text, or send it as an attachment. So I am sending it as HTML, normal, regular mail. You want to send it to all the people or only the current record, that is to Sundaram, or if you have many record, I want to send from 1st to 10th. Now, why this from and to is important? Imagine if you are using this technique to send email to 100, 200 or 500 folks. If you try to do it in one shot, many of the mail server, our mail server using which we are sending email may object, because it may think, many of the mail servers are designed in that way that it will think that my mail server has been hacked or my mail client got hacked and some suspicious activities are going on, or we are trying to spam. Now to avoid that, if you have 2, 3, 5 emails to send or 10 emails to send, you can put it all. If not, if you have uh, maybe 40, 50, 60 or 100, in that case, make a bunch of 10 or so. So 1 to 10 in first lot. So first 10 records goes, then 11 to 20, then 21 to 30. So you can send it through batches. So this is the only disadvantage compared to the tools like MailChimp and those paid tools. Yes, there you can send it to thousands of recipients based on your subscription model or subscription type in one shot, one go without any problem. So here I am choosing all and say OK. So it should have sent the emails. It has sent. How do I know whether it has sent it or not? Well, check your email server, or sorry, email recipient where you are supposed to get. So let me see. Now, Google Chrome, Gmail. It may take some time depending on your mail server to receive the emails, but it will come. It will come for sure. So what you can also do is you can check Outlook or whichever email client you are using, whether in the sent item you can see those emails or not. So that also you can check if you wish to. It will be there in the outbox. So in my outbox, those are there. Only thing is my email server takes a while before delivering the email. And again, Gmail or whichever email software you are using, it takes its own time. Now, I have received the email in my Gmail. So let me show you. Here you go. From Amit Ganguly, we are starting a new service. Let's see how it comes. Of course, I have put Amit Ganguly this email ID Gmail as for Subhash. So, hi Subhash, hope you are doing great. I wish to let you know that Senior Manager Cloud Informatics, it has come. So, it's a personalized email. Just for your benefit, let's go back to our Excel sheet quickly. So, Subhash, Senior Manager Cloud Informatics, Amit.Kanti at gmail.com. And here is the Gmail. Quick check again. Quick verification or validation. Hi Subhash, as Senior Manager in Cloud Informatics. Done. So, this is a very simple, easy way of sending the same email content to multiple recipients without paying an additional penny. And all you need to do, you have seen how much time I took, right? Hardly altogether 7, 8 minutes. So if you have maybe, all it takes to do the mail merge is 5 to 7 minutes. To create the data sheet, of course, depending on the volume of data, you will require time. Um, if you are, if your data source is some other system, almost all the system has the facility of exporting data in Excel, then your job is even more easy. So this is what it is. This is how it works. Hope it will be useful. Like this, just to conclude, like this, MS Word has loads of hidden treasures which we are not familiar, which we are not aware of. So I urge all of you to focus on those hidden treasures. And if you want in your organization, in your company, your team should know different hidden treasures, in that case, we will be more than happy to help you. Till then, have a good evening, have a good day, wherever, whichever part of the world you might be, and goodbye. Thank you.